areas.
Yes, the power supply condition is not good.
Okay, so is it anything connection to our today's topic?
Yes, because as you know, if someday there is no power supply, so the gas station are unable to running.
Yes, people can't get the fuel. So what can we do? How to solve this problem?
We have developed a new functions.
New function.
Yeah, which we call it manual driver.
Manual driver.
Yeah, and the solar power supplier.
Manual driver and solar power supply.
Yeah, they can working independence or they can working combination, working together.
Okay, so I see. So in any countries, in any cities, in any areas, if the power is not stable or even they can't get strong power, we can
Yes.
use a hand manual driver and the solar power supply.
Yes, this is a good solution for them, for the African countries to help them through the problems.
Okay, excellent, excellent. I can't wait to see it. Can we start?
Yeah, let us show you and do the explanation.
Okay. So, Yo-Yo, is this a machine we introduced today?
Yes, of course. And you can see, is there any difference from the traditional fuel dispenser?
Okay, the first I can see a handle here. And second, I see a big panel on the top of the machine. So what are these?
The handle is what I called it, manual driver.
Handle, we called it manual driver. So it is worked by hand.
Yeah, would you like to try it?
Okay, is it hard?
No, you can try it.
Okay, let's have a try. Eh?
You see, it is very easy.
Oh yes, hi everyone. It is very easy to operate, very easy to handle. So what is it used for?
Let us open the door and show you what was inside it.
We can open it.
Yeah, how it works.
Okay.
Let us remove this first.
Okay, dear everyone, please don't leave our live show and follow us. We will show you more equipment inside. Okay, we open it now.
Okay, Ling.
So should we put it back?
Yes, we can put it
Okay,
back.
Put it back.
Ling, did you see any difference? It seems like a traditional fuel dispenser.
Yes, mostly the same.
Yeah, running by the
Motor.
electric power.
Yes, motor,
Yeah,
pump, from it the
yes. But we have make some difference. Did you
same.
see it?
Difference. Yes, it's a very obviously. I see a wheel.
Yeah, that
Here.
is. You see that the wheel is connected with a pump through a belt.
Yes, through a pulley.
So now, would you like? Can you help me to running it
Okay.
to show customer how it works?
Okay, let's have a look.
Okay, now you see when the wheel is running, the pump is running as well, so
Yes.
that it can help pumping the fuel.
Okay.
It
I
is.
see.
It is just working same like the motor.
Okay.
Yes, because if you end this device, we will have two belts for you, one for the manual and one for the traditional electric motor.
Okay, so if I need to use the motor, we can connect the pulley with this pump.
Yes,
to motor.
exactly.
I see. So let's explain once more.
Okay.
For the manual, we use this wheel to instead of the motor, right?
Yes, when there is no power.
Okay, so if suddenly the power is off, we can use this hand manual to start the pump.
Yeah, but this dispenser is mainly working with electricity power because if you just use this working for a whole day, even this is easy to running, but it will be very tired for the worker.
Oh, okay, yes, I know. So, what is the flow rate of it?
The flow rate for the manual one,
Yes, manual one. What is the flow rate?
it is about 30 liter per minute.
30 liter. So how about our regular type with the motor? What is the flow rate?
The regular one, it is not much difference. It is 45 liter per minute.
45. So you say with the hand manual, it is 30.
Yes.
With the motor, it is 45. So 1 minute, 15 liters difference.
Yes, not much difference.
Not too much.
Because when we design this device, we have considering first, it should be easy to handle.
Okay.
And second, it should be make as bigger as we can to working more faster. So 30 is not much difference from 45.
Okay, I understand. So this equipment, it can help you to go on filling even if the power is off. Very good for the district which is with low power.
Okay, the next. We would like to show you that this device can still working with other different types of pump and flow meter.
Okay, I remember for our last live stream, we have introduced you. We have different types of the flow meters and pumps. So anyone, do you remember what is the type of this flow meter and pump?
Okay, let us show you. You can see the most popular types are the Bennett type, Tatasuno, same as the fuel dispenser we show there, and the Tokin.
Bennett, Tatasuno, and Tokin. So these are the three basic configurations we use. And we can also mix the different pump and flow meter.
Yes, so we can also replace the Tatasuno by the Bennett and the Tokin.
So do you mean all these different types we can add the hand driver, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
As you know, we are the manufacturer, so we can make anything possible.
So, dear customers, leave your questions to us. We will check and answer your request.
Okay, the next.
Okay, so here are the suction one.
Yes.
And I want to ask, can we use the submersible one with a hand driver?
That is a good question, but
can we achieve it?
No, I don't think so, because as you see here, the working principle is that the pump is driven by the belt.
Yes.
But we can see that the submersible type, there is no pump.
Oh, yes. It doesn't have the pump here. Well, the suction one, it has a pump here.
Okay, and the submersible type, you can see here the pump and the motor are inside the tank.
Yes, installed with the tank.
And the construction is different.
So we understand it can't be used with the submersible type, but maybe
in future, we will work on it.
Okay.
We'll make everything possible.
Okay, we expect that one day we can also use this hand driver in the submersible type.
Okay, we just finished the manual driver part.
Yes.
And let's now turn to the solar power part.
Okay, let's turn our eye to the top of our machine. It is a very big panel. What is this panel?
This is solar panel.
Solar panel.
So can you see that, the solar panel?
Okay, this solar panel can absorb the sunlight from sun, and then it transfers the energy to our controller, right?
Yes, exactly. So the energy will be resolved inside the battery.
Okay, battery.
Yeah, here it has one battery.
Yes, I see a box. It is the battery to restore the energy from the sun, right?
Yes, the energy will be turned into power, electric power, so that this can support the controller, the display to working.
Okay, so in some countries which are very in low power or the power is not stable, when the power cuts off, we can open the battery. The battery can work directly.
Yes, of course.
Okay. So the machine can keep on working.
Yes, exactly.
Very nice. It is very helpful for the fuel station owner to keep on working and avoid any losing. Okay. So how long can this battery work?
The specification for the standard battery, we use 12 voltage
12 voltage.
and 20 ampere.
20 ampere.
So this can support continuous working for about 4 hours.
Okay, so everyone, do you understand? The first one, this battery can work for 4 hours. But you know, our station is opened for 24 hours. Can we get any longer,
Yes,
bigger battery?
yes, of course. We have
Okay.
also think about it.
Okay, that's great.
Another type is still 12 volts, and it is 38 ampere.
Okay, the first one is 20.
Yeah,
This
20.
one is 38, almost 2 times. So it can work for 8 hours?
No, it can just keep working for 8 hours. Sorry,
Oh, yes,
my
8
hand
hours.
is.
The first one is 4 hours, and this one is 8 hours.
Yes,
guys.
8 hours. So you can working more longer for a daily working.
Okay, that's very good. So you can choose the 2 different types of the battery. One is for
4
4
hours.
hours, and the second
Remember,
one.
it is continuous working.
So is the price difference a lot?
Yes, but not much difference, just a
Okay.
little.
So if only with a little price difference, we will prefer to use a big battery,
Bigger one,
right?
yeah.
Yes. So with this battery, the display board, the keypad can keep on working.
Yes, and the mechanical part, you can use a manual driver to pumping the fuel, and at the electric side,
We have the
we have the solar power supplier
yes.
to help the controller working and show the display for how many
Hours.
liters we
Liters.
have. Yes, we have filling.
Okay, so everyone, are you clear now? Just now we have introduced you the 2 parts of this machine. One is the hand manual, and the second is the solar panel. I think you are a little familiar with our machine now. So next, what we talk about next?
I think some customers they may have a question about if we can use a big battery not only for but to support the pump, to support the motor,
Oh yes, why?
so that we don't need to use the handle.
Yes, because it is a little hard to use it hand manual for a little long time, right?
Yes, this is a good question, but as you know, the controller it is only need 100 watt.
Yes, 100.
Yeah, not bigger power.
But
for the motor,
motor.
it is mostly used 220 and 380 voltage.
Yes, okay, I understand. So we can't supply the battery for the pump and the motor.
Yes, we can, but we need to use a bigger one.
Okay.
Because it will ask for 750 watt. It is too bigger.
Yes.
As you know that the bigger the battery, the higher the cost.
Yes. So we suggest here this side we use this
Manual
manual, and the controller we use the
solar panel.
panel. Okay.
This is more cost effective.
And yes, and more economic way to save our costings, right?
Okay, now we have just finished this introduce these new functions. And the next, we will go to show you how the fuel dispenser working. What is the principle for the working?
Yes. So we want to know how does this machine deliver the oil from the tank to the machine and then the machine to our car?
Okay, first we will show it from the mechanical part.
Okay, mechanical
We
part.
also call it hydraulic part.
Okay, so right now we need to make our camera close to our machine, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's wait our colleagues to make our camera close
To show you more clear.
Yes. Okay, here,
First, when the motor is running or the wheel is running, it will drive the pump. The pump will suction the fuel from the tank. The fuel will first come from the inlet of the pump. Here is the inlet of the pump. When the fuel passes through the pump, this type of pump, it will have two filters, one inlet filter and one outlet filter.
Okay,
so
one inlet and one outlet.
Yes, so the fuel, when they pass the pump, it can clean for twice.
It can help the machine to work for a long time. So now we know the pipe from the pipe to the pump, and next.
And another function for the pump, it is not only suction, not only just clear the fuel, it also has an area. We call it air and gas separate.
Separate.
Yes, let us show you close.
Okay, we closely have a look at the separate.
Okay, inside here has an area, we call it air and gas separate. As you know, especially for the gasoline, it is easy to turn into gas.
Oh, yes. So it is named gasoline.
Yeah, so it is mixed with gas. And also sometimes we discharge the fuel from the tank, from the truck to the tank.
So
that has some gas in
this pipe can make the gas out, right?
Yes, when the fuel passes, this part can separate the air from the gasoline, and then the air will go out through this piper. And you can see here, the piper will be connected here, the air will go out.
Okay, so this pump is very useful. It has two filters, and it also has air separator to make our fueling be more convenient and efficient.
Yes, after the pump, the fuel will go through the
pipe to
flow meter.
Flow meter, okay. So from tank to the pump, from the pump to the flow meter.
And the flow meter that has a center shaft.
Okay.
In the middle.
Okay.
When the fuel pass, it will drive the shaft to rotate, and the shaft will drive the four piston to working like in and out, so that we can know how many liters are filling.
Yes, so the flow meter is used for measuring how much liter we have transferred to the car.
Yes, also the controller connects the flow meter by a pauser. Yeah, the shaft will make the pauser running as well, so that the controller will get how many pauser is running and then turn into how many liter is filling and then show on the display.
Okay, so we see this pauser is installed together with this flow meter. And we have different ones. We can install them separately.
Yeah, let us show you.
Okay, let's see. Bennett type, the pauser, and the token type pauser, they are installed separately with the flow meter.
Yeah,
So Just let us know which design you like, which configuration you like. We can make all of them to you. Okay,
Yes,
please
just
follow
leave
us.
us message
Yes.
of your request.
Okay, now so we know the oil now comes to the flow meter. What's the next step?
When it comes out from the flow meter, it will pass through the solenoid valve.
Okay, it is a valve.
Yes, a valve. And this valve, you know that it is two-stage.
Two-stage, what are the details?
It has big valve and small valve.
Big and small.
Yes.
What is a big and small used for?
Do you know what is preset?
Preset.
Preset filling.
I mean, before we start the filling, I want to get 10 liters. Is that the preset?
Yes,
Okay.
sure. Like if we filling 10 liters, how can we make it more accuracy?
Okay. So will the machine stop at 10?
Yes, so that we will use this valve. When the motor start, the bigger and the small valve will open.
Open.
Yeah, the door is open. The big door and the small door is open.
Yes.
And when we are close to 10 liter,
For example, to
9.95.
95.
Yeah, just for example. If we still keep the big valve, the big door open, then maybe we cannot control it. Maybe we'll have more fuel go
fuel
out.
come out.
Yes. Will be bigger than 10 liter.
So we need the small valve.
Yeah, we will need to close the big one first.
Okay.
Keep the small one working.
So in this way, we can get what we want, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now from flow meter to the valve. So we see the valve, the pipe comes out, right?
Yeah, comes out by the oil injector.
Okay, let's have a look
Hey,
at
camera.
the oil
Camera.
indicator. Now the oil comes
And
out
from
to the
oil injector. You can see there has a glass here. The fuel will pass through and you can see it from the glass.
Yes, glass. We can track the quality of the
Yes,
oil.
exactly.
To see if any dirty inside, so we can prevent any damage of our spare parts.
Okay, then after that, it will go past the hose.
Through the hose. Okay, here is the hose. We see this hose hangs in a low position.
Yes.
Okay, what is the length of this hose pipe?
The standard one is 3 meter.
3 meter. I think 3 meter is not enough. Can we get longer?
Yes, of course, we can do customize as you like.
Okay.
Like
so
710 as you like.
710.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Even 10 meters.
Yes.
But is the flow rate difference if we use a longer hose pipe?
Yes, the longer hose pipe will take a little influence of the flow rate.
Okay.
But it is not much
Not
difference.
much difference, right?
Yeah, so don't worry.
Here, after we finish, the oil comes to the hose pipe, and last, the oil comes to the nozzle.
Yes, this type nozzle, it is a automatic one. It can close and shut off automatically.
Okay, shut off automatically. Let's have a look.
So, how did it work by automatically
Yes,
shut off?
how? Can you introduce?
Okay, let us show you clearly.
Okay, let's take a clear, near look at the nozzles. We know, see, in this way, we put this spout to the car tank.
Yes.
Okay, so when it is filling, how can it stop?
When the fuel is almost full the tank,
For the tank.
it will touch here. You can see here has a hole.
Okay, there is a hole.
Yeah, when the fuel touch the hole, the nozzle will shut off, will close automatically.
It has a signal
Yeah, so
to shut off.
this can avoid overflow.
Okay, very good nozzle. And I know this nozzle is very popular user. It is called 11A nozzle.
Yeah.
Okay, and this size is 3/4.
3/4, yes.
And we can have a big one.
Big one, 1 inch.
1 inch, 3/4 and 1 inch.
Yes.
So 1 inch we can get bigger flow rate.
The 1 inch we can get about 775 later.
Okay, so which one you like, 3/4 or 1 inch? You can leave us messages and we will reply you on time.
But here I would like to remind you, don't use the big size, the 1 inch for the gasoline. As we know, the gasoline is easy explosion. So the flow rate cannot over 60 liters per minute.
Okay, so remember, for the gasoline usage, we must use the small nozzle, 3/4 one, right?
Yes, for diesel, you can use any one just as you like.
Okay, so now the oil comes from the tank to the machine, from the pump, flow meter, valve, oil indicator, hose pipe, nozzle. Then finally, it comes to our
Customer.
car.
Yes, the customer get the gasoline and the owner get the money.
Very good. So now we have introduced you the fuel dispenser working principle. Is anyone have any questions? Leave your messages to us and follow us. We will introduce you more information about our machines.
Okay, how about the next step? I'm just curious of it.
Next, when we have received this machine, some of our customers says, I don't like this design. So, Yo-Yo, can we make different designs?
Yes, of course, we have a lot of different designs. You can use our design, and also you can use your design. You can just send us your drawing, and we will direct for you.
Okay, because we are the factory.
Yes, okay.
Now we know this is a painting one. Some countries are near the seaside, so steel is easy to get rusty. Do you have any solution for this problem?
Yeah, it is very easy. Just pay some more money.
Okay, pay some more money.
And change the side panel to the stainless steel.
Oh, you mean to change this side material to the SS material?
Yeah, we use 304.
So how about the whole body we change to SS?
Yes, just take more money and you will get a whole body with stainless steel.
Okay, so if your budget is enough, you can make this body to the full stainless way. And you can send us your logo. We can put your logo on the top or on the
door,
gate.
yes.
To make your brand be more famous.
Yes. But if you use our brand, it is more better.
Yes.
We will give you some discount.
Okay. You can get discount if you use our brand. Our brand is
ZCHENG.
Yes.
ZCHENG, ZCHENG.
This year, our brand is become more and more famous and popular. We get good reputation from overseas countries. So hope anyone you can try our machines. I know you won't be regret. You will say, "Oh, I should have used your machine earlier."
Yeah, that's right. We are proud of our
factory.
Yes, and we also have confidence for our quality.
Okay, so next we are going to introduce you some of the actual functions, how to make your machine be more functional, be more attractive.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
We can move to another machine.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, here this is another type, another design.
Yes, In this machine, we will introduce you some different designs, different functions for your personal, but it is based on the budget. If your budget is enough, you can
you have more money.
Yes, you can choose to add the following functions. Let's start one by one.
Okay, the first one, I think I like these warning words in red.
Okay.
What is it used for?
This rolling display, it shows the welcome words. For example, welcome to Jianyu machine filling station. You can show your welcome words to anyone who comes into your filling station. And then your clients will be very honored to be here.
Okay, I have a question.
Go ahead.
If I wanted to show my company name and my telephone numbers, is that possible?
Yes, sure. It is very easy. You can change the words by adding your company name, by adding your number. And you can also change this color. We see now the color is red. We can use different, for example, green. We can use blue, different colors.
Wow, that's very flexible.
Yes. And some of our customers from different countries, we know in African countries, they mostly speak the French.
So you mean that it can also use different language?
Yes.
Show different language?
Yes.
Wow,
Yes. We
that's
can
great.
show different language. For example, French.
Oh, how about Russia?
Russia, no problem.
Okay, Thailand language?
Thailand language.
Philippine language?
Philippine language.
Oh,
Yes, of course.
okay.
And Indian language.
Okay, Spanish?
Spanish.
Okay.
And Arabic language.
Oh, this means we can just show any language as you like.
If you're from the world, we can supply you all the language you need.
That's great. Very clever.
Yes, with this rolling display, it makes your machine be more attractive.
Yes, exactly.
And you can also show the oil unit price. Then your client can track directly.
Wow, that's great.
Yes.
So you can put high and we can see it more easily. Okay.
Some customer put it at the top, and we can also make it in this way.
Okay.
Yes, customer in the car can get it directly.
Oh, very, very flexible.
Yes. So we introduced the LED display. Now we turn to the second one.
Okay, the second one, what is this used for?
It is called the emergency stop button.
Emergency? So when is it used for?
When in emergency, we can press this button to protect our station. It can cut off the power immediately once you press this button.
Okay, like that, if there is fire, we need to cut the power.
Yes.
Okay, we can just, how to use it?
We can just press it.
Okay.
You have a try. You can have a try.
Like this? Wow.
Yes, you see the
It's very
power
convenient and fast.
But the display still remain our previous filling record.
Okay, so the customer just during the filling can know what he get.
Yes.
How many liter he get.
Yes.
And the gas station can charge for the money.
Yes, everyone will be clear about.
No lost.
Yes. So it is also very convenient to pour on.
Recovery?
Yes, recovery. We see it has a direction indicator.
Arrow, yes.
Okay,
Show
in
you
the clockwise.
clockwise. Wow, it's back.
Yes, it's back and it can return to work immediately. Let's have a try.
Okay, so this button seems very useful. Is it expensive?
No, it's very cheap, and we strongly recommend
you.
Yes,
to enter
installed one.
Okay, great. And how about the next one? This
Okay.
box,
You notice there is a
print.
yes
Print
yes
with ticket print. Okay.
Yes, when we finish the filling, we want to have a receipt to check out how much we pay, how much volume we get. So we can have a ticket.
Ticket. Okay, can we show the customer what is printed on the ticket?
Okay. In this ticket, it shows
that has price.
okay, it shows the
price,
volume,
and
the time when you come to the station.
So this is very clear for the customer.
Okay, so can you operate? How can we get the ticket?
Okay, let us try a filling first.
So it should be get on the keypad.
Yes, by start filling.
Okay, now the machine is filling.
Okay, now we stop it.
Stop it.
Yeah.
So how to get the ticket?
Okay, now we press the stop. On the keyboard, you will get the ticket.
The ticket comes out.
We can also make it print automatically.
Yes.
But consider some customer, they don't want to get any waste because some customer don't need the ticket. So we make a function to press stop. If you need, you just press the stop on the keyboard.
To get the ticket. We see the price, the amount, and the letter are the same as the display board.
Yeah, it is very clear.
And it is a very useful receipt for you to record how much you filled for your car in 1 month.
Okay, and for the next?
Next. In this way, we can see a different oil indicator.
Yes, this is different from that one. That one is low hand.
Low hand. And
this one is high hand from the top.
So we can also notice this hose pipe is much longer than the low hand one.
Yeah, the standard is 4.5 meters.
It is 4.5 meters.
Yes.
Okay, very much longer than the 3-meter one. So in this machine, we introduce you the LED, the emergency stop button, the ticket printer, the high hung way. So these functions can make your machine be more attractive. So anyone do like these designs? Leave your message to us. We will give you our quick response.
Yes, this is just for optional, but these are highly recommended.
Yes, very useful one.
Okay, now we will show you something for how to operate, how to use the machine. We'll move to another fuel dispenser, which will be more clear to show you.
When you get our machine, you must be curious about how to operate it. Now we will show you how to operate our machine. Let's go with this one.
Okay, when you get the fuel dispenser, each dispenser will pack it with one guidebook.
Yes, guidebook.
After you install the fuel dispenser on your Icelander, please must read the guidebook carefully.
Very important.
Yes, to avoid long operation.
Yes.
And also guide you how to operate.
It's the first page. It shows you the attentions. So must read our guidebook carefully before you start to use it.
Okay, Lynn, can you show customers the most basic function for setup, for operation?
Okay. When you receive our machine, the first important thing is to check the decimal.
Decimal?
Decimal.
Okay.
Yes, to different countries, we know their unit price are different.
Okay, this is based on your country money volume.
Yes. For example, in China, we use 2 decimals, but I know in some African countries, they use 3.
3 decimal. Okay, because their money is not as worth as ours.
Yes, so the first step is to change the decimals. Here we can say the sale amount just has 1 decimal.
Yeah.
The liter has 3 decimals, and the price it has only 2 decimals.
Okay, let us show you how to make change. Can you show me if I want to make the sale with 2 decimal and the later 2, price 2 as well?
Okay, sale 2, later 2, and price 2.
Okay, come here and show customer.
Okay.
Clear.
We have a guidebook. The guidebook on the page 10. It has a table to show you different codes of the decimals. So just now we need the
We need 2.
So the code is 6.
6. Okay.
6.
So
how
when
to change it?
when should I put 6? Can you
Okay.
show me?
Okay, here. So please follow my.
Okay.
Okay, first turn the key to set.
Turn key to set.
Okay, everyone,
This is set.
this key is also very important. Please don't lose it. We need this key to set anything. So keep it. It is also important, as the guidebook. So first, turn the key to the set. Then second, press Shift menu and 6.
Shift
And 6.
menu and 6.
So now it shows 15, code 15.
Okay, why it show error code 15?
It shows the code 15. 15 means
Okay.
1 sale, 3 liter, and 2 price decimal.
Okay, I got it. I thought it is error code. Sorry.
It has a E.
Okay.
It is a code symbol. So
Okay.
now we want to change it, right?
So what should I do?
Press clear.
Clear.
Yes.
Okay.
And
They turn to 0.
0. Input our code 6.
6.
Then press sum and enter.
Okay, to finish it.
Yes.
Okay, now it's back to
Okay,
press
turn the key to work. Okay, press start
start.
and stop.
You see that it is changed
Yes.
with 2 decimal.
Yes, very easy way. And we can also do the same operating to change to different codes.
Yes, just according to your market. Choose the right one and the right code and make the operation.
So after setting the decimal, the second we need to set up the unit price.
Oh, that's very important because the main principle for the purpose for the fuel dispenser is for commercial. It is for selling, so the unit price is very important.
Exactly.
And
so now the unit price is 5.77. So let's get a new unit price. That's, for example, we got 3.45, okay?
3.45.
Yes,
okay.
so how to change the
Can you guide
unit
me?
price? Okay, follow my advice. The first step, do you know?
I think anything change need to turn the key to set.
Yes, the key is extremely important, okay? Yeah, turn the key to set. Press the unit price button.
Unit price button. Is this unit price button?
Yes,
Okay,
exactly.
it's combination with the start. Okay, then I press it. Okay, I will get the keyboard show the 5.77.
Yes, it shows the current unit price. So how to change it? We press the clear button.
Okay, clear again.
And input
3.345.
Yes.
So I don't need to press the point.
Yes, because
Okay.
before we have set two decimals.
Okay,
no
that's very
need
convenient.
Yes, no need to press the point again.
Okay, is that finished?
No, you forget to press the summer and enter button.
Okay, the enter. Where is the enter? Okay.
Okay, we see the unit
display.
price change immediately. Very easy way, right?
Okay, great.
I think all of you understand how to set up the unit price. So now our machine can start to working.
Okay, let me try it.
Mm-hmm.
We start. Oh, sorry. It should be turned back.
Yes, the
to
key
work.
should be turned back to work.
And then we press start. It will working with new unit price.
Yes, exactly.
It is very convenient, and you know that in every country the price of the fuel is changed every time.
Yes. So very easy for you to set up the unit price.
Okay.
Okay, now we change the decimals, we change the unit price. So next, we start how to start filling.
How to start filling?
Yes, we have 3 different ways.
Okay, can you show me?
First situation is one client is coming to your station. He is asking, I want 5 liter. Can you do it?
5 liter?
Yes, I need 5 liter.
So this is what we call the preset.
Yes, preset. So please give me 5 liter.
5 liter? Is that shown on the guidebook as well?
Yes.
Here we can see.
Filling as preset data of liter. So
we got liter.
Yes.
We need to press the shift to
switch to liter.
Okay, shift. Should be changed later.
Yes, just
price
now it's price later.
Okay.
I need 5 liter.
5 liter.
Press
just
5.
Input 5.
And then start.
Start.
So let's see if it can stop at 5 liter. 5 liter.
Okay, now 5 liter.
Okay,
it stops.
It stops. And the second situation is that customer says, I want 30 amount.
30 amount?
USD or 30 yuan.
So I need to press the shift again
to
price. Okay.
Yes, and then input 30.
It will turn to the sale, the amount. Then I will input 30.
30, yes.
Start. Okay, we just waiting. I think 30 is too much.
But our machine is very efficient. It will stop at 30.
Wow,
let's look at it.
It's faster.
Yes,
it's faster.
It stops immediately. But sometimes we have the third situation. Our client comes and asks, please fill up my tank.
Fill up? So
yes.
He just don't know how much, just want to make his tank full.
Yes, please fill up my tank.
Okay.
So how to do that?
I think, as I know, there is 2 switch for the start. One is just we show you from the keyboard.
Yes.
Another switch is on the
nozzle
holder side. Here you can see, here has a switch.
Yes.
Now it is closed. When I take the nozzle, the switch will be on. You can see here the display is running. It is filling.
Yes. So when will the filling end?
Do you remember we just showed this nozzle is automatic shut off?
Okay, yes, we remember. The nozzle has a sensitive hole. When the tank is full, the nozzle will give signal to our controller. The nozzle will stop filling.
Okay, that's very clever and convenient and can avoid any.
Yes, so we can hang on the nozzle back. Because now we are not in a real filling, so we need to stop by our hand. Okay, we introduce you 3 different ways of the filling. First is preset by liter.
Later,
Second is preset
by amount.
And the third
is unpreset. I can say in
unpreset.
this way.
Yes, unpreset.
Just fill the tank.
Yes, fulfill the tank or stop at whatever amount you need.
Okay,
Okay.
that's great.
So
And what's the next function?
next, we want to introduce you another operating. For example, the fuel station owner comes and he wants to check what's the previous filling.
Previous filling?
Yes.
Okay, the record.
So can we check the record?
How can we do it? Can you show me on the guidebook?
Okay, let's take a look here. You can check up the present time amount of the fuel or the past 9 times. So we can track our first record, okay?
Okay, again, I operate and you guide me.
Okay, now the key is on work.
Should I turn to set?
No need.
Okay.
Yes, so when your workers is working, you can just take out the keys in case your workers is
Change any date.
yes,
Okay.
you can take off the keys and keep it in your own office.
So the workers still can check the present,
Yes.
the last 9 time filling record.
Yes, sure. So press the radius.
Radius? Okay,
Yes,
let me see.
radius-
Where is radius?
Radius
Here,
means
okay.
the redisplay.
Okay.
Okay, then press zero.
radius.
Zero.
But there is a
Here.
0. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, it should be pressed at the same time.
Yes, at the same
Okay.
time. So it is the last time filling record. So how about the former one?
The former one should
Yes, we press the radius
Radius
together with the
is
number 1.
be 1. Okay.
Yes, okay. And we can have one more try. Second, 3. We get the 5 liter first, right?
Okay.
4.
It will until 9.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. But if that 9 times is not enough for me, I need more record. How can we do that?
We have 2 different ways. First, we can choose another mainboard type. We can track nearly by 20,000 times.
Wow, 20,000. That should be need a big memory.
Oh, the memory is the same. Just we upgrade our mainboard, upgrade our system. So you
Okay.
can use the upgrade one, and no different price, different
Okay.
money. Yes.
So if I need more record, I should choose another type mainboard.
Yes.
Okay, I see.
And the first one is to change the mainboard, and the second way is to use our system, management system.
Okay, we also have a management system.
Yes, we can
How
call
did
it-
it work?
We can connect our fuel dispenser with our PC computer.
PC computer. So when I'm in the office, I just sat there and I can operate. I can control the dispenser.
Yes, exactly.
Wow, that's very convenient.
Yes, you control and monitor this fuel dispenser in your office. Very convenient and easy to check out all the situations, all of the fuel dispenser working.
Also, can the date can be checked, and if I need to get 1 month's record, can I get the
Yes.
table?
Yes, you can get any records on the system. So anyone, if you want our management system, leave your message to us. We will check and reply you on time.
Yeah, we will show you more informations. Yes, now we have time limit, so we can not show you details for the management system.
Yes, so just now we have introduced you several of the basic operating. Do you remember?
Yes, the first is a decimal change.
Yes, change decimals.
And the second is unit price.
Yes, to set up the unit price.
And the third is 3 ways for filling.
Yes, 3 ways to start refilling by different money, different volume.
And also the full tank.
Yes, to get a full tank oil.
Okay, and the last one, sorry, I forgot it.
Oh,
the last one.
Operate how to check the filling record.
Okay.
Okay, so remember our guidebook and our keys.
It's very important
Yes,
for you
keep them.
to operate the dispenser.
Yes. So anyone, if you have more questions, leave your questions to us. We will provide you more information.
Okay, now our part is finished. And
okay, let's go on review our this part content again.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, so first we introduce you our fuel dispenser by the hand menu and by the solar panel, right? And we also introduce you the main working principle and how the oil comes out to the tank. And second, we also introduce you how the solar panel
working.
Yes. And we also introduce you how to decorate, how to make your machine be more attractive.
Okay, and then we have introduced you other more optional functions.
Yes, how to operate the basic operations. So next, we will have our colleagues, Edwin and Amanda, to introduce you more of our products.
Okay, now welcome to Edwin and Amanda.
So please don't leave out this live show and follow us. We will show you more fantastic information.
Okay, now let's go ahead, Edwin and Amanda.
Okay, hi, let's welcome Edwin.
Yes, see you again.
Let's welcome Amanda. Okay, so now the showroom are for Edwin and Amanda.
Yes. So give me answer 2 minutes, okay? So Amanda, I think you had a very professional about our fuel dispensers.
Yes, we have a lot of show last time.
Yes.
And introduce a lot of information of the fuel dispenser and the spare parts.
Yes, we are only see on this one, but don't see actually the product, right?
Yes.
So for now, we show you the actual one for real meat and the pumps.
Yes. Maybe for one fuel dispenser, we can see one specification. Yeah. Maybe only the pump and the flow meter. But now I will introduce you a lot of spare parts in one time.
Yes. So what's the black one?
The black one, this is the token.
Yeah. This is token for the pump or flow meter, this one?
Is this one?
Yeah.
Yes, this is the flow meter.
It's flow meter?
Oh, sorry, it's very heavy.
Yes. What's this mandatory?
Mandatory?
What's it?
It's cast iron.
Okay. This black one is pump?
Yes, it's pump.
It's also very heavy, right?
Yes, it's very heavy.
So what's this popular use? For which market?
It's usually for South Africa countries.
Such like which country?
Maybe Ethiopia and
Yes.
Uganda,
Okay.
Kenya, and
Yeah.
a lot of countries.
Yes, okay. So where is the filter? I think the pump has a filter inside.
Yes. Okay, how about the filter?
Yes, the filter is this side. Let me see, check. Give me a moment, okay? Filter in this side, but we can't see it. So for the token pump and token for millimeter, usually popular in Nigeria.
Nigeria?
And the Kenya and the Mozambique and some African countries.
Yes.
And not too much. This is the Tatasuna one. Tatasuna, Ling and the Yo-Yo tell answer. They have two filters. This is the outlet filter. Inlet filter, that's in my side, moment. Show you. You can see it here.
Okay, what's the function of the filter used for?
To clean the oil.
Clean the oil?
To make sure no dirties and decimal damages pumps.
Maybe in some country, the fuel is not very clean enough.
Yes, yes. So for the filter, we usually clean 2 or 3 months. If too more dirties, they will affect the fluorator. So 2 or 3 months, you had better clean the filters. If filter damage, you had better change.
How long is the warranty about the filter?
The filter, maybe, no warranty, I'm not sure. But 2 or 3 months, you had better clean. It's no effect for the pump use. The pump can use for 3 to 5 millions the working life. It's even last for longer.
Okay, can the staff clean the filter themselves?
Yes, it's easily, but cannot use for water to clean. Must use diesel or gasoline to clean the filter.
Okay, we can use diesel or gasoline to, first we should
Take off
the
filter and clean the filter.
and wash in the diesel.
Yes, or gasoline. Cannot use
gasoline.
water.
Okay, no water, never.
This is the fluorometer for Tatasunos.
For Tatasuno?
Yes.
It sounds a Japanese name.
Yes, yes. It's we copy one. It's produced in China. This popular in Southeast Asia, like Laos, Thailand, Philippines,
Philippines.
also Pakistan, and also Pakistan like this one. Uganda people also like this one.
Okay. Because it it's a Japanese brand, so they
Yes,
are
yes.
popular around
Yes.
in
yes.
Russia.
Yeah. This is a bender pumps. This for and the fluorometers. This is usually popular as low cost than the Tatasuno and the tokens. These are popular in the Middle Asia, like Tajikistan, Uzbekistan,
Yes.
Kazakhstan, like this one. Even in China, we use this one. It's stable and lower cost. So bending pump is van pumps. Do you know?
Van pump?
Yes, van pumps. Do you know what Tatasuno and the token is which kind of
Are
pump?
they same?
You
Same
can.
type.
Yes.
Gear pump. I think it's gear
Yes,
pump.
professional. So, but the fluorator van pump is more higher.
Higher.
For the token pump and the Tatasuno pump, the fluorator little lower. But the working life for testing, the gear pump and the little longer than the van pumps.
Okay. How about the flow rate of each of them?
Gear pump
token?
token and token usually 40 liter per minute. And
40.
Tatasuno usually 45 per minute. And the Bennett usually 50 liter per minute.
So the flow rate, the Tatasuno is the highest one.
No, Bennett.
Bennett?
50.
Okay, 50.
So Yo-Yo and Link said, this also have the separate. High and the gas and I separate. Do you get which one for which one? In token, in which location? separated.
Separate. Okay. It's here.
Yes. For the Tatasuno, in which location?
It's here.
Yes.
They are looks like the same.
Yes.
Right?
No. Also for Bennington, in which location?
It's here.
Yes.
There's 3 parts is for location.
Yes. That's used for the separate the oil, separate the air from the fuels.
So then, when filling the air, is not a filling to the car.
Yes. Yes.
Only the fuel.
To separate the air come out, and we can fill in the full fuels to our cars.
Okay. Is there any more special about the pump or the flow meter?
Do you know how to install the parcels?
The parcel?
Tatasuno, in which location?
Let me check.
No. This is a pump. Parcel installed on the flow
The
meter.
parcel it's on the top
Yes,
of
yes.
the flow meter.
So
Is there a parcel here?
no parcel here.
Okay.
For Bennington flow meter install where?
We can put the parcel here.
Yes.
About
So
it.
for token,
But cans, they are the same. Usually,
Yeah.
in our company, we use the same parcel for token and the Bennett. They are the same. But the Tatsuno, it has the parcel together. It's very near. Include the parcel, so it's no need. Okay. For the fuel dispenser, we have a lot of specification. Maybe the fuel dispenser is too nozzle, maybe 4, 6, or 8. How about the inner specification inside? We can show the picture again.
yes.
Okay, we have 2 pictures here.
Yeah.
Let me show you the first one.
Yes.
As you know, there are 3 specification, pump and flow meter here.
Yes.
But why there are 4 types?
Yes.
Have you get the difference? Yes. This is the Bennett one. It's the pump and the flow meter, they are matched, the same type. They are Bennett. The second is Tatsuno. The pump and the flow meter, they are matched too. And the same for the token type. But it's very special for the 4th one.
Yes.
Would you show me, Edwin? What's the special for this one?
This one is use token pumps
Talking pumps.
and the Tatasuno flow meters.
So the pump and the flow
Meter
meter,
different.
yeah, they are not different type. But some countries, they prefer this type,
Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yes.
So we are very good and professional in OEM design.
Yes.
If you want the type like the 4th one, token and the Bennett, it's fine. It's fine for us.
Yes.
And how about this one?
You can see this is a submersible one.
Yes.
Submersible fuel dispenser just install the flow meter under the filter on the fuel dispenser. Do you know why? Because the pumps installed on the tank.
Yeah. It's no pump here.
Yes.
No pump in the machine.
Yes.
Only in the tank.
Yes. So let me show you another photos.
Okay, show you more about the submersible fuel dispenser.
This is a red jack.
Red jacket, yes.
Yes. This is submersible hand, pump hand.
Pump hand.
Pump body is motor. Motor installed downstairs in the tanks, and the pump on the manhole upstairs.
Okay.
Even some customer prefer use a blue jack, not like this one.
Only the color is different.
No,
And
only the input, inlet and outlet also different.
Okay.
So some guy prefers this. Also, we can supply the ATG systems,
ATG.
auto tank guidance systems. This we can connect with our filling station management systems. They can read the data about the tanks. You can check it data directly when you loading and offloading the fuel from the truck to tank. When you filling 1 days, you can get the data. How many liter you filling? You can see the accurate data of the tanks. You can compare with our system report. I think it will be accuracy and match it. It's no problem. So for the ATG systems, we can install the internet card. You can connect with the internet. We have apps. You can install our apps. Then you can check the data on your mobile phone directly.
Okay, is the AGT only used for one filling station?
Yes, it's only used for one filling station yet, because our system just for one station. For the internet systems, the internet filling station management system, we working it. Maybe 2 or 3 months later, you can get it. They can check all data from the internet and the apps by your phone directly.
That will be very wonderful if we can track the data on our phone directly.
This is more easily for the boss to maintain this. And you can see every place when you travel out and you go to play, party, and the dinners, you can just check your phone and get which station is no oil, no filling. You can just call the manager. It's not filling, not enough to import it, offloading, and you can see the report. How many this one sell? How many this station sell? And if station is not in good sales, maybe you can make a promotion this month. If the station sale is very good, you maybe need to hire more workers for this filling station.
Yeah, it will save a lot of money for the boss.
Yes, even sometimes, like 1 month report, you can check the money and the report is match or not match. Your management have something wrong or not.
Yes, right. And how many systems are used for one filling station?
Just one is enough. But you should tell me answer. How many nozzles of the filling station you want to use? If you like just this station of two fuel dispenser, one dispenser is just 2 nozzles. We just give you the small connector box. If your station has almost 8 unit fuel dispenser,
For big filling station.
this has 16 nozzles. So we can give you big connector box. But the software is the same. For the ATG, I hope you can inquire the answer. We are very professional on that.
Yeah, there are no ATG picture here.
Yes.
If you're interested, please follow us and send message to us.
We can give you more details. One more thing, forget to tell you. One ATG systems can control 6 to 8 tanks in one station. But in station usually like has 4 to 6 tank is enough.
Okay, because most of the filling station is not very big.
Not very big. Based on you.
Okay, what's the next step we wanted to introduce for our
We can introduce as nozzles.
the nozzles?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can take one and we can show them.
Okay, first one. Okay, show me more about this.
This is 3/4 nozzles.
3/4.
This is a small, not a big one. It's for this one can filling the gasoline and the diesels. And another spot is not big. This one usually you can see it's similar like ZVA nozzles. Even our quality will match them. Don't worry. This is a color can be changed. You can use blue, red, black, yellow, green, based on your operation.
Okay, let me show you more colors and more types of nozzles.
Yes.
Maybe because in different countries,
Yes.
they interested in different nozzles.
Yes, but we usually use the 11A.
11A.
Yes.
Okay, let me show you the 11A first. 在哪儿？
这个 Now you can see this is a 11A nozzles. The original one is OPW, but this one usually popular in our side also. The quality also matches the original one. One more thing, you can see this has a 3 fluorator of the nozzles. Now is in big fluorator, 4 valves open. Now this is in middle fluorator, valve open half. Now it's a small fluorator, valve just open one quart.
Is that used for control the flow rate
By nozzles.
by nozzles?
Yes. Also, now we let answer show you the 1-inch nozzles.
1-inch nozzle? Okay, it's a very big one.
In Chinese side, we call the 120 models, but in OPW they usually call the 7-inch.
7-inch by OPW.
You can see the nozzle support is very different. So this one, usually bigger one, 1-inch, usually used for the diesels, for the bigger flow rate. So you can see, because this one the bigger flow rate, the nozzle support must be big, and the inlet, the 1-inch is more better for the 3-quart.
Okay, let's compare.
Yes.
They are different, the size. By the way,
Yes.
Some customers ask for NPT, but others ask for
BSP.
BSP.
Yes, in China, and our standard one, we usually use BSP, British standard, right? The natural standard, usually by some customer requirement, we can supply. It's no problem. Just deliver time, maybe a little longer. For the NPT, the original OPW, usually like NPT, even they can produce BSP.
Okay.
Even for the nozzle support, you need to check with us. This one has a little bigger one. You can check with us. We can give you the size. You can check. But for the standard one, we use a 3-quart with a standard smaller one nozzle support.
Okay.
Let me see others.
Okay, this is another color or the one way?
No, this is AD blue. This AD blue nozzles. This is more heavy than the standard one. Do you know why?
More heavy?
Yeah, you can check. More heavy than the standard 11A.
Maybe the inner structure is different and the material.
Material different.
Yeah.
This material usually use stainless steels because AD blue is more something different. It's okay. It's ZVA nozzle, the 1-inch. We call the 108 XD 120 model also. You can see they have logo here. The logo here. Also they have the 2 fluorator. Even you can see the nozzle support is very big for the high flow rate. Any more?
Yes, there are 3 more. Okay, another ZVA with logo.
Yes. We can supply the ZV nozzle with logos. We have the right to export. If you prefer the original one, you can connect with answer also. We can supply, don't worry.
Okay, let me show you the cartons OCVA. This is one of the package.
Yes, this is a package.
Some customer are searching for this type CVA with the same logo.
Yes. This is also AD Brun nozzles, but the difference is the bodies is plastic and have quick cope for the AD Blue. But another support is stainless steel.
Okay, let's compare with
the different cut for 11A.
Okay. Let's compare the AD Blue nozzle.
Yes, which one you think is more heavier?
This one is much more heavy.
Body different.
Yeah.
So,
Plastic.
do you know our fuel dispensers models? Here have some introduced. Our models usually with ZC. ZC is means our brand and the ZCHENG. And the first model is here as a product. Second model is here as a pump, motors. Third is a pump. 4 is a flow meter. Last one is nozzles. If just one pump, one product, such like you filling gasoline or diesels, and the second one use motor, only one motor. Third one, only one pump. And for the 4, you only one flow meter. And the last one, only one nozzle. Just a single nozzle fuel dispenser. Some customer, sometimes we need to confirm with the customers about the models. Why? Because we need to give you collect the product. First thing, we need to check the wattage. 220 or 380. Even some customer preferred 110. And the second one, we need check how many product you prefer one fuel dispenser to filling. Some customer prefer one fuel dispenser only filling diesels. Some customer prefer filling one or two product like a diesel and a gasoline. And another customer prefer filling 3 products like 2 different level, and or 3 different level fuel dispensers. We get the asking from the internet. Can you sell it to Kenya? Yes, we can sell it to Kenya. I want to order 6 nozzle. Just a nozzle, right? 6 nozzle machine.
6 nozzle machine.
Okay, use the token pump and token flow meter.
Okay, if you want to order 6 nozzle machine, before that we should know the voltage.
Yes.
The voltage depend on the motor.
Yes.
Usually we have 2 kind of motor, 220 and 380.
Yes.
You should show me the voltage in your country firstly, and the pump and the meter. Which one do you prefer? We have introduced that usually in Kenya we usually use the token. It's popular in your country. Please contact with us and confirm that. Is this one match your request well? Okay.
What certificate do you have? How to?
Certification.
how to pay answer by dollar? How to pay dollars? Can you explain?
Yes. We are the professional factory, OEM factory for nearly 20 years. We export a lot of fuel dispenser and spare parts to the world. We have a USD account. Usually you can do payment by TT or LC. Please contract with us firstly. Which one do you prefer? And I will quote you a very nice price, the best price for you.
Yes, we have the certificate about
Certification? Yes.
certification like the CE,
CE.
ISO,
ISO.
9001 and the OML. For if you import from China to Kenya, you should apply the COC. We have imported very much. It costs one time usually 5,000. If you order much, just the same. So
Yes, for one order.
Yes. So let us explain some details, spare parts for the fuel dispenser. Give us a moment.
Okay, this is the big spare parts for the fuel dispenser. And there are another few spare parts needed to confirm before you place the order.
So you can see many steps.
Okay, all the small spare parts is here.
So we let Amanda expand to first way, then I expand two times. Okay?
Okay, because someone may be not professional in this field. Maybe first time to see the spare parts. Okay, let's show them the spare parts from this one.
From top.
Okay, from this one, okay? If you have followed us before and check the first part show, you will know this one. This is the welcome LED in our company. You see there are two sides. One is thin, another is wide. Is there any difference between them? No. It depends on your request. In the thin one, we will show small words here, but in the big one, we will show big words. For this one, we have a lot of color for you. We have scissor machines. We use the red color for sample, but usually we can have purple, or orange, or green color. Please show me your request firstly. And by the way, this is the optional one for the fuel dispenser. Maybe in your filling station, need the notice for your customer. Maybe no smoking, the price of the fuel today, or in your filling station name. All the words can be shown in this LED. Because for this one, we can add for your filling station. And the second part, is anyone know the name of this part? If not, I will show you and tell you. This is the display board for our filling station. Why there are 1, 2, 3, 4 kinds of display board shown here? Because the color and the shape is different. Also, the language is different too. Okay, can you find the language in your country? Yes, usually we use the English because English is popular in the world. a lot of people can accept the English word. You can show me a lot of your language. We can print your language here. But a lot of people use two languages, English and the local language. Please send me the correct words. We can print for you. Maybe someone is carefully to check the words. Some is sale later price, but another one is later total price. Is there any difference between them? In my mind, it's not. But in some countries, they don't have the different habit to have the word to show. Okay, it's about third language. Let me show you another part. It's the shape. This one is two titles shown in one display board, but this one is separate. Two titles show one display board. Another one is separate total, 3 parts at all. Show you one secret. The separate one is a little cheap, and the 2-in-1 is middle. But someone requests this one. It's a little expensive, but it looks much more better, very beautiful for the machine. The third part of the display board is the color. The color is different. Maybe there are no backlight at the moment. So, can you see the color carefully? This one is blue, which the backlight is blue, but the words on the display board is white. This one is white, but the words in it is light white. So, yeah, black. Sorry, it's black. It's black here. We can show it clearly. Which one do you prefer? Or which one is popular in your country? Would you show me? Okay, leave message for us, and we will show you the keyboard. Is there some familiar keyboard in your country? Do you feel familiar about that? Yes, most of the customer is familiar about this one. This is a metal display keyboard. Okay, let's find the difference between all of them. For this one, the panel is plastic and the colorful button. We can easily find the button and the keyboard and the key. The others is metal keyboard. It's very useful for a lot of countries because it's against rusty and have the waterproof. You see that the 1, 2, 3, 4, the button in them, they are different, they are similar, and the position is a little different. So we can use by the same way. But for this one, why it's totally different from others? There are P1, P2, P3, P4. It's for what? Yes, maybe in some filling station or some country, they need 10 liter, usually 10 liter, 20 liter. So we can reset the amount firstly, then continue. The sixth one is different. Can you find that there is a card? It's for card. we can have an IC card. For some track team, there are a lot of track here, but how to filling? So they will have a card. Try to the card firstly, then go to the filling station. Okay, let's go another one. There are a little old swivel here. This is the oil indicator. It's very heavy. We can see that this one is for the hose pipe. Let me check. We can do like this. This is swivel. This is the hose pipe. We can see the oil here. Another one. Show me another oil indicator. Look, there are different. What's the flower used for? We call it flower. When the fuel goes through here, the flower runs. So we can check clearly it's running or not, it's filling or not. This is the swivel to connect the nozzle and the hose pipe. Okay, that show me different size of hose pipe. This is the big one, usually for the underground. It's very big. It connects with the tank, then connect with the filling station. It's double layer. It's double. So it's strong enough. No worry about leakage. Okay, it's very beautiful hose pipe. Maybe in some countries they need a lot of nozzles. And there are a friend from Kenya asked for that. I need a 6 nozzle fuel dispenser. So how to know the difference? Which one is for diesel? Which one is for petrol? So we can mark the different fuel by the different colors. If you need other colors, please mark for us before place the order. This is for 3/4. If you need 1 inch, we have. Anyone interested about this one, please show me. Oh, what's this? It's a very big and heavy one. It's triangle. It's 1.5 inch. It's very big. Okay. Let me check again. Oh yes, it's 2 inch here. Maybe the 1.5 inch is lost. Let me show you next time. This one is a breakaway. And all of them is the breakaway. What's the difference between them? This is we usually use for our fuel dispenser. There are 2 hoses connected. If there are something dangerous happened suddenly, how to protect our fuel dispenser. Maybe the driver forgets that they are filling, but something urgent wanted to go. So we want to, but the nozzle is on the filling on the car. So they will pull the nozzles. At that time, the breakaway will broken. The nozzle will go away with the car, but the fuel dispenser will be protected. This one is not very expensive, but very important for our fuel dispenser. Okay, show you another. They are breakaway too. And anyone find the same between them? Yes, they are the original OPW. Maybe some big customer want to very high quality fuel dispenser. They want to use the original one. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you. Okay, let me left the time for Edwin. He wanted to show you more information about our spare parts.
Yes, it's me again. So let me introduce you for this one first one again. Okay. This is a LED light. The two sides, the big side and the small side. But our standard color is the red one. Some customers prefer to use white, orange, blue. We can make it, it's no problem. But this one, the holding quantity must be bigger. If just the red one, it's okay. We can put the 1 unit, 2 units. If you prefer another color, like the white, orange, blue, some other colors, the holding quantity must be 4 containers. Now let's see the display. It's very easy to see, right? We have 3-in-1, 2-in-1, and separate. This we have standard color is 3 colors: blue background light and the white wall, and the white background light and the black walls, and the yellow backlight and the black walls. For the painting, we can do everything you prefer, like the Russia and the French and like another Thailand language. Even we can do the Geisling. Geisling is no problem. We can issue our fuel dispense program directly. So now we see the key part. It's easier to see. It is a black stick. It is mandatory, 6 mandatories. For black stick, if you like, we can do it, it's no problem. But for our factory, we prefer use mandatory one. For mandatory one, it's more easily, more strong for the black stick. You can see this keypad has 2 different. P1, P2, P4, P3, P4. This is useful. P1, P2, P3, P4. This is useful such like some guys to usually feeling like I want to print the 2 latest 100 monies. Then you can see the date in P1 2 latest, P2 100, P3 maybe 200, and P4 maybe 5 latest. Easily for the workers to operation. Then more to coming. Just 2 latest. P1, filling, finish, we go. For this one, standard don't have this function, and just put the filling as only the 2 latest. We press 2 and begin start. So on. This is for IC car systems. You can see this one different. For this one, only also have P1 for this one. Another thing, for IC car systems, you must install the system in our fuel dispenser, and you need to charge the IC card, how much money you're feeling. Or even you can control your workers. You can use the IC card, you charge already, and input. How many money he sell in 1 day, he get how much money. You can check the card in your PC, in your computer. You can see the money and the date with the money is a match or not. Now we see the survivors. Okay, this Amanda had said. This is oil addict. It's for the low hole, and the yo-yo and for the low hole, yo-yo and the Lin said. For low hole, the house is only 3 meters. It's not enough. This is one for high hole. The house usually longer like 4.5 meters. This is allowed install on the nozzles. You'll remember, okay? You can see it. Install the electric. When oil coming, the flow will running. It's more beautiful. Just to see the oil clean or not, you can install this one if without the indicate the low hole and high hole. Because we install this one on the nozzle, easily for you to see the oil coming with air or not. For this survival, you can install electric. So the nozzle can be turned on, turned up, and see everything turn around, easily for you to feel it. So in a moment, rolling. You can see this is a live survivor. It turn around like this one. This is a stay one. Stay one usually installed here. A live one usually installed on the nozzle side. This is a new step. This is the older step. Older step for a live. Older step, new step. For the hose, it's 3/4 nozzles. You can see here has a metal inside, so it's will be very stronger for our hose and protect it. Long working life, don't worry. This is 1-inch nozzles. This is 1.5 nozzles. You can see what's the difference in the surface. Do you get it? 1-inch. It's very clean. 2.5 inch. And the bigger one is 2-inch. If you prefer more bigger, we can supply also. For the 1.2 and the 2-inch nozzle, this we are usually use for the bigger operator, like 120 to 200, like the pyramid fuel dispenser. If you like this heavy duty fuel dispenser, we can supply you also. But for more details, hope you can email us because it's a business secret. Another factory don't have. For the breakaway, Amanda had said, when you are on the filling, when you are filling finish, the driver forgets to take off the nozzle from the chuck, and the nozzle and the car from the car. Sorry, not the chuck is too big. from the car. The car, the driver just driving away. The breakaway middle was broken collectively to protect the fuel dispenser. Don't make the accident more bigger. This one breakaway much same as original OPW. We can use this one to repeat the OPW as no problem. We just answer. Our made the same like quality like an original one. This OPW original one, if you prefer, we can supply also. Because we have good relationship with them in Chinese market. So almost we finish and done. Later we seriously welcome you with an inspect answer after everything comes to peace. Even if you don't have time with an inspect answer, just connect with answer online. It's okay, no problem. Alibaba, email, made in China, anything you prefer. Skype, WhatsApp, WeChat. We can do it for you. Just send me your question. We will service for you directly. So it's new insurance. So let me introduce some project of our factory. We have some customer in Pakistan, and we have their motorway all use our fuel dispenser. Even we have the big customer in Thailand. They input our fuel dispenser 2 container 1 month, and we have some solo agent document with Indonesia customers. They plan to put 300 around 3,000 fuel dispenser around 2 years. So don't worry about our quality. We have that's why we run the bigger project in the world. Maybe we are not the biggest one, but we are the best one for working for you. You will be our VIP customers. So maybe we'll ask Yo-Yo, Lin, and Amanda come together and say our last best wishes. Give me 2 minutes. Okay?
Hi everyone, thanks for your watching. We have been on our live stream for almost 2 hours. Thanks for keeping with us.
Yes, it's very happy to share the information of fuel dispenser and spare parts here.
Yes, and today we have introduced you our solar panel with a hand manual machine. We also send you our optional functions such as LED, such as emergency stop button, and also the ticket printer. And also we showed you some of the basic operating. So hope all of you can have a clear understanding of our products.
Yes, don't forget that we are the OEM factory in China, very professional in fuel dispenser field.
And hope through today's live stream, all you can send your inquiries to us directly. And on our second part, my colleague Edwin and Amanda also introduce you how to choose the fuel dispenser, the flow meter, the pumps, and also the fuel nozzle types. And also we showed you our different parts of our machine. Which one you like best? Don't hesitate to contact us.
Okay.
Yes, we firstly, this is our solar seriously welcome you visiting and watching our live shows. Welcome. Even the first thing, Lin and Yo-Yo introduces our solar panel manual hand fuel dispenser. It's very useful for the deep side or like a small village deep side lost lake of electricity. It's more easy for use. For this machine, it's easy for you easily find it in Uganda because our Uganda customers order very much.
Yes, we got.
Second part, we show you our fuel dispenser spare parts like the talking, the thermal bending. It's for you to use. It's based on you, but we have tell you which pump and from it's popular in which market. So we seriously welcome you again with the answer, but for during this time, it's not easily for you to come in. So for the revision, it's more easily for you no answers. For next time, we will show you around about our factory. You can see our boss and take you around the factory and tell you the detail about the fuel dispenser, assembling, testing, and from the low material to the fuel dispenser, even the spare parts for the production. You will see it.
So our next live stream will be on next Tuesday, the same time from 5 to 7 p.m. Beijing time. So I hope you guys can follow our company and come to our live stream next week.
Yes. Hope we can get a win-win in the near future soon. No, we are not only the buyer and the seller. We can become the partner.
Yes, be
and
partner.
And the brother and the sister, right? And the families.
Yes.
We don't do the business just like a fuel dispenser. If you want answer access to get any other things, we can assist you to get, but that's without benefit. Just to assist you and service you and let us grow up together, step by step.
We like a big warm family. So welcome all for you guys to keep with us and hope to see you guys soon. So next week, next Tuesday, please don't forget to come to our live stream again.
So where is Yo-Yo?
Yo-Yo now is preparing for his journey.
So it's for traveling outside. Here is
So you guys, please don't forget to follow us, and we hope to see you next time. Okay, see you.
Bye.
Bye.
Yo-Yo is still single. If you want to become his honey, come contact with us.